Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first, I will say thank you for the opportunity so I can record my video to explain about a theory. Today, I will take the theory that relevant to our lives today, namely is feminism theory. This theory not only talking about women but also struggle to get equality for the women rights, justice, and regardless gender inequality. Feminism in a simple terms is a movement that get the rights between women and men. However, more than that, feminism is ever evolving by the theories and thoughts based on the many different perspectives and approaches, so we can see the problem of the gender inequality. Over the past few decades, feminism has transformed to the various branches that have the same goal. There are to destroy gender injustice and to create some peace society in the environment. From history itself, feminism is not movement that emerged overnight. Feminism had a long history in the 19th century. This movement struggle to get the equal for women's voting rights and access of educational and also get rights to the own property. And in the early 20th century, also feminism also spread to the other social issues like the such as reproductive rights and then rights to equal rights in the workplace. In the second wave, feminism in the 1960 and 1970, it's focused on the sexuality, women's body rights, and also equal society. And the third wave in the end of the 19th century, it's also spread to other social issues like gender, race, and social classes, and it's so influenced to the experience of gender inequality. From the theory itself, feminism also have some different perspective and streams. There are liberal feminism, radical feminism, Marxist or socialist feminism, and then the last intersectional feminism. Liberal feminism emphasizes importance of reform in the existing social and legal structure. Also, liberal feminism focus on the gender equality under the law. We can see this liberal feminism when the women also have the same rights as a man in the political, legal, and economic fields. The second is radical feminism. Radical feminism argues that the root of gender inequality is based on patriarchal structure, which is when the men have the more power than women. So for the solve this problem, we also change the social and cultural structure so we can solve this problem, the patriarchal structure. Now we move to the Marxism feminism or socialist feminism. As we know, the Marxism theory, it's always talking about socialist or capitalist system, and it's the same to the Marxism feminism. This is a gender inequality society that focus on the capitalist system, which is it's different between women that have the higher position on the economic files, between the women not get the position higher on the economic files. The last is intersectional feminism. This theory are adopted by Kimberly Crenshaw. It emphasizes gender equality based on the various perspectives like gender, race, and social. And in other words, this theory states that our gender identity is not something natural or biological, but the result of social construction that can be criticized and dismantled. From contemporary development of feminism, in this modern era, so many women from various cultures, backgrounds, as race and social class are proposed their own narratives, and along to the globalization, we see feminism that focus on local problems like Asian feminism, African feminism, also the other feminism that focus on environmental issues. In addition, feminism is also getting a place in the world movement in the social media, such as hashtag #MeToo and hashtag Times Up. It also show how social media can be used to reveal inequality and sexual violence that been hidden. This digital activism gives women a voice to speak up and mobilize change on a large scale. From the challenges itself, we can see about the gender inequality or the challenges such as wage and gender-based violence. Is also discrimination in workplace still exists in many countries, and we also face new problems such as the role of technology in worsening gender inequality and online sexual harassment. And however, I believe that going to the theory of feminism is also brings the positive change to our to protect them our as a woman. And then we also remember that the feminism is not only about the women's rights but also from the everyone, because equality is the right of every human being. So, ladies and gentlemen, we see feminism is a long journey, as it's not talking about women's rights but also for everyone. So, as again, we create communication or create interaction between each others to create a more equal and inclusive world for every individual without exception. And thank you for your attention. Hopefully we can create a better change for future generations. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.